Court calls case People versus Paula Johnson.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Your Honor, do you mind if Ms. Johnson sits while we
Not a problem.
call her hearing?
How are you today, Your Honor?
I'm doing okay, Miss Johnson. How are you?
I'm here. Thank God for that. Oh,
Can you state your name, Ms. Johnson?
yes, Paula Johnson.
Your Honor, we are here for a show cause. I think Ms. Johnson owes about $218. She did,
Just didn't pay so she could come back and see me.
That's
I know why she didn't do it.
See,
I know,
he knows.
I know.
Because he just so asked me. He tried to get all the way.
What?
That's it.
You said what?
Nothing.
No.
No, I said, because he so asked me, think all the women be trying to get in to see him. That's what I said.
I did not say all.
No, I said that.
Oh, okay,
No.
okay.
You
I-
said,
I
I
did not
said
say
those
that.
words.
Yeah, they come here to see Alan. They don't come here to see me. I'm just.
I don't get you in trouble. You know your wife hit you.
What?
You know, I know your wife will hit you, so you better, yeah.
Okay, Miss Johnson.
Look, see, that's how you know I'm telling the truth. Look at you just smiled knowingly.
Nothing else.
Okay.
I'm just gonna leave that.
Right. There you go.
All right. So
I didn't know I still owed you money though. First of all,
you didn't know?
I was the God I didn't. I would
I was shocked there was only one case left.
now you know that was so. How do you do?
I just said it. I just said
Okay,
I was just
okay.
surprised only
Touche.
one case came in.
Touche. Okay. We do go way back, don't we?
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah,
All right.
that's a blessing, right? I'm in school, doing really good. Yeah, I am.
You're in school?
Yes.
What are you doing this time?
Criminal justice, he say this
Oh,
time.
man.
Yeah, I know. I knew it.
You're in the criminal justice?
Yes, sir, I am. Doing quite well, by the way.
What?
I said, I'm doing quite well, by the way.
Yeah. Given how you operated, you're probably an expert.
Little bit. On certain levels, you're right.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
I know.
All right. So how are you gonna get this paid?
I don't know. I was hoping you was just gonna let me not have to pay it because since I'm in such a dire strait right now. I mean, I paid the majority of it. I thought maybe you could say, well, she did so well.
Could I speak for my mother?
There go my page.
I just have a few.
You wanna talk, this is your mother?
That's my baby. Yes,
I'm
sir.
so sorry. No, I'm kidding. Come on.
By the way.
Daughters myself and my mom, we are all obsessed with her. Just recently.
What's your name, first of all?
My name is Jolitha Addison.
Okay.
So just recently, my mother has had a lot going on. She had a bout of double pneumonia. And she spent about 4 days in the hospital for that. She got out and was out for about 3 days. Whereas they had a car accident, her and my dad. They had a very bad car accident, which totaled their car. She had bruised her kidneys and was in the hospital for another 4 days at that point. Then at that point,
Let him know,
she got
no
out.
fault of mine. Hold on.
It was no fault of her own, yeah, someone lost control of their vehicle on the highway,
And ran into,
and she got hit twice.
Yeah.
So she had spent about 4 days in the hospital, then upon getting out from that, she was still very sick. And we had to take her back to the hospital for another 4 days. Because she just wasn't doing very good with the pneumonia, she was still struggling with that. She's still having to recover from that car accident. She's got to now try to figure out how to get another vehicle. I just asked that, kind of similar to what she's asking. She just doesn't really have the funds at the moment to try to come up with that. Even trying to do a payment would be a lot for her. She is in school, like she stated. She's doing her absolute best. She's been pulling in almost all A's and B's, and I'm so proud of her. She's been doing really good. As you see, like you said, this only case, she's been doing really good, and I'm very proud of her. That's all I have to say.
That's all?
That's all.
Okay, no, yeah, I was gonna let you keep going.
she believed my baby.
Well, no, because you know that there were not a lot of people coming up speaking good things about you before.
Well,
So you must have changed something.
well, yeah, yes, I
Maybe
did.
180, so she's doing really, really well.
Why you start talking out that, really?
Still there.
Really? So there?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I couldn't help it. You bring out the worst in me. What do you?
What? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I don't know. Miss Teresa,
How,
what is going on here? What's?
how did I bring out the worst in
I'm
you?
just kidding. Just listen. Okay, what we're gonna do here?
I bring out the worst in you.
No, we don't.
I think they're doing a great job, honestly. I don't even need to be here.
Yeah,
I will add though, Ms. Johnson is on a fixed income. She gets a social security disability, is that right?
yes, it is.
And she did do 92 days on this case.
Oh, I know. I know.
Yeah.
And it was not because I wanted to get, she just,
I kept on till I just had to do it, huh?
huh?
I just had to be here with you, huh?
You just would not do anything I asked you to do.
That's true.
You decided, I'd say do something this way. You decided you were gonna do
I'm
something
gonna
the
go
other.
up, but you said right. You
And
understand? I
then
know.
finally it just came down and like,
And I had no qualms with that, and you know it.
well, at the time you did.
Well, no, I didn't actually. I did what I needed to do and came on up out of there. It wasn't your fault, so I.
Oh,
kinda
I
blame-
know it wasn't my
I know,
fault.
so why should I have any animosity or ill feelings against you? You just doing your job.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It was very nice of her to say. She was not like
As
this
if you could do
before.
anything.
I don't know what's happened.
What
This
is
was
wrong
not-
with you? What do you
This is
mean?
not the person I remember.
You know what?
Miss
That's
Polera,
that is
Miss
not-
Polera, is this the person you remember?
You know, Your Honor, I do have to say, I don't know what time, that Paula came around to me. Probably the second or third. She did really well.
Thank you, Mr.
She did get her act together per se and was compliant with me on a later case than that. And she did do probation. She checked in with me. She was in school then and she was doing really well when she ended there. I do have to say that.
See?
So everybody gonna stick up.
Oh, no.
It's about something.
You know what? You just
Like
do
that.
not believe.
It's like a Paula festival.
You know, you're so wrong today.
What?
What I do, what did I do? I've been doing really well here.
I would tell
Come
you,
on.
Judge, I would tell you if she was not doing what she was supposed to do, but she did. She did really well towards.
And you know, she'd tell. She would tell you. Yes, she would.
Oh, I know she would.
There you go, see?
Because we had a lot of conversations like that, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Oh, many occasions.
But
It's
she came
the
around,
truth.
she came around.
I don't have no qualms with it. You know, you're wrong, you're wrong. You have to own up to it, so that way you can move forward, correct? At least that's the way I see it.
You got all A's and B's?
I've got a C. I ain't gonna lie to you, okay? I'm working on
What
it.
do you have a C in?
What do I have a C in? I have a C in, what is it? Right now, all I have is, I have, my math class. It's been a while, so I'm working my way back up to the B, you know, but it's different, you know. I haven't had math in a long time, so. I'm just saying, I'm working on it though. I don't have a defeatist attitude. I am going to get my degree this time. Bam, bar none.
This person that I see now, I have no doubt in my mind that she will.
Yes, sir. I guarantee you. Lord willing, I'll come back and show it to you. I'm looking forward to that one.
I think none of that I have to hold on to. She already made a mistake. When is she gonna pay me my money?
You still, geez, I
You know, it's been nice chatting with you, but
I mean, I just don't have it. I'm honest with you. I don't. But,
so he's still here with you?
yeah, I actually
In fact, you're
married
being
him.
quiet this time.
Yeah, I married
He was
him,
jumping up
so
and down last
maybe
time I
that's
threw
what
it
got
in.
him quiet, huh?
Huh?
I married him, so maybe that's what got him quiet.
Oh, y'all got married?
Yes, we did. What you look like that for?
I just,
You didn't think?
I thought he was gonna run it. Well,
Now, you know, that's bad.
I'm just
That's
saying.
bad.
I'm just saying, one day,
Oh, you
then
didn't
he
think
was
I
looking,
was gonna
he
run.
was
You
looking
thought
like,
gonna
he was
run.
like looking, winking at me like, take her so I can run. That's what I was getting from him. I'm just saying.
See, that's not the memo I got.
Well,
See,
I'm just saying,
I get it, I understand.
he and I were communicating.
Clearly,
And
yeah.
so, that's how I saw it. I
see
guess
that.
I was wrong.
I can see that, you know,
All right.
that's a guy thing, it's okay.
It is a pleasure seeing you. It is
Always
a
a pleasure
pleasure
seeing
to
you,
see
Justin.
that you are actually doing well and
Thank
doing the right thing.
Yes, sir, I'm doing my best.
So here's what I'm gonna do.
Yes, sir.
You already have paid the state fees, so I'm just gonna waive the entire balance.
Oh, God
I'm
bless
gonna
you, thank
just
you.
get rid of everything. I'm doing that mainly because of, you know, if you have a daughter that will come up and say those great things about you, then I have to, and I believe what your daughter's saying.
Oh,
And so,
I don't lie, trust me.
well, but that, in a lot of ways,
She'll say good, she'll say bad, if that's what you
it's a
feel.
lot of ways, that's what life's about. You raise kids, and when they can say good things about you,
Yes,
you've done your job.
it is.
So here's what I'm gonna do, on your promise, because
Yes, sir.
I would,
Oh, you got to worry.
so I'm
Trust.
gonna waive that entire balance
Okay,
on your promise that when you have that degree, you come back here and you show me that
you
degree,
think I'm not when I am? Oh, my God. I can't-
right? If you don't,
Okay.
Alan,
Well, okay,
Alan, if
I
you
tell you
don't
what.
come back and show me the degree and I find out that you got the degree,
Oh,
Alan and I are getting in the truck, we're gonna find you,
my God.
okay?
Not you and Alan.
Yeah, both of us,
Oh,
both of us.
okay.
All right, fair enough?
Well, Alan for sure.
I don't know what that's about. All right,
Okay.
you take care of yourself.
God bless you. Thank
You're
you so
welcome.
much, Justin.
Fella, you take care of yourself.
It's good to see you again. Thank you. You do good.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, guys.
Glad to
God
see you.
bless you.
We'll see you again.
All right.
All right, good stuff.
Take care of yourself.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.